The NX3300 redefines the aesthetics of modern retro design. Featuring a solid compact body wrapped in natural leather-like material, it's a timeless classic that makes a bold statement wherever you go. Worthy of pros but built for enthusiasts. The 20.3 MP APS-C CMOS sensor gives your images incredible detail and amazing color. It's perfect for beautiful out-focused photos and noise-free images, even in low light. A fun taking selfies. Just flip up the 3.0-inch display and you're ready to shoot. Then simply give the camera a wink, and it will automatically snap a perfect selfie. Use the advanced beauty shot function and the dual beauty effect to make your photos look like they belong on the front cover of a magazine. Remove blemishes and improve skin tone using 15 levels of adjustable brightness and softness settings. Share photos effortlessly via Wi-Fi and NFC. PhotoBeam lets you transfer photos instantly, and you can send whole albums with mobile link. You can even save to your mobile device as you shoot with AutoShare. The NFC-enabled Remote Viewfinder Pro turns your smartphone into a remote control. Adjust camera settings like shutter speed, exposure control, and more, all wireless from your smartphone. Bundled with the NX3300 is the compact and incredibly portable 16 to 50mm PZ lens. A power zoom button makes zooming easier and more stable, so you can also shoot crisp and clear videos with confidence. With a fast shutter speed of 1/4000th of a second, you have the power to capture the decisive moments. So when your little girl is having the time of her life, you'll know you'll be able to capture her passing smile. Shoot video Full HD, 1920 by 1080p, at 30 frames per second with lifelike color and extraordinarily sharp details. The H.264 format allows you to record longer MPEG-4 video, so you can capture more of the action. With the NX3300, you have the power to shoot a burst of images at 5 frames per second. So when you have less than a second to document that breathtaking dive, this camera has you covered from start to finish. The NX3300 shoots up to ISO 25600, making it very sensitive to light. That means you can take great looking, natural shots in tricky lighting indoors or even outside at night, with minimal noise or